After I blow, you blow.
Shut up!
Alright, ready? I wish. Thanks, guys.
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Derek Ramsey, masayang binati ng kanyang asawa na si Ellen Adarna, para sa kanyang ika-47th birthday ngayong araw, December 7, 2023. Habang nasa higaan si Derek ay pinuntahan ito ng kanyang misis, dala ang birthday cake para sa kanya. Kinantahan ito ni Ellen Adarna ng birthday song, bilang pagbati. Nakakatuwang makita ang isa sa paboritong celebrity couple, na masayang ipinagdiriwang ang special na araw ni Derek. Ito ang kabuuan ng kanilang video, na ibinahagi nila sa social media para sa kanilang mga tagahanga.
Happy birthday, Love! Happy birthday to you!
Take two.
Round two. Happy birthday to you. I'm done with the singing.
No, that's what I'm waiting for.
I'm done.
Sing.
It's blow time.
Go. Ooh, lucky me. Birthday blow? Thank you, guys. Thank you, Shello. Bobbing! I'm going to blow my cake. Come here, you can blow with me?
Bob.
Come, hurry up. Blow. Yeah, blow with me, come. Love you. Come on, bro.
Oh my God, it's happy.
After I blow, you blow.
Shut up.
Alright, ready? I wish. Thanks, guys.